Hello friends, welcome to Squared Plans. I'm Stephanie and today we're going to be setting up our health spreads for the last week in January. And I've got these stats stickers here ready to go, as well as these washi tapes I may use, and these sticker books which I'll pull from. So this is the last week of the January Planable Challenge, and this week's theme is black, white, and blank all over. So if you'd like to participate, go ahead and post your spreads up on Instagram using the hashtag PlanableJanuary2022. We'd love to see what you come up with. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and lay down some wax paper. I did do a pre-planning sheet this week. The bottom stickers that I'm pointing out here are from the Rainbow Mega Pack. The ones here on the top are from the Wellness sticker book, and the kind of central little snippet here is from the Fitness sticker book, the oldest one. So I just wanted to point that out, and I also did my own habit trackers, which I showed you guys last week. So that's just a little printout of those habit trackers there that I put there on the sidebar. And I'm going to go ahead and start moving things over, including a box for my sidebar with the color scheme that I'll be working with this week, which is black, white, and I would call this teal, maybe aqua. It kind of depends. It definitely leans more towards the green tone than the blue tone, so I would say maybe closer to a bright teal, but yeah. That's the color that I'm going to add in with the black and white feels. It's probably my favorite color, so it wasn't very hard to make that decision on what color to work with. And I just cut up a quote from the Wellness sticker book to put there in the sidebar as well, and I just kind of cut it up so that I could fit it in the space. And these stickers here that I'm laying down all came from the Rainbow Mega Pack. The stars were actually part of a quote that I cut out from before, so I have those. A couple of dot stickers here that I'll bring in for my cardio tracking or exercise tracking, and my food log. And now I'm in the Fitness sticker book, pulling in some calorie boxes here for my total calories each day. I'm also going to lay in maybe some quotes here from, again, that Wellness sticker book. And then I have a few other random things that I might bring in here from the different books, but not 100% sure yet if I want to use those. I'm also going to cut out these stars from this quote. It says, "Be kind to you." I'm not real sure if I want to actually use that quote here or not, but definitely want those little elements in that right color of, we're going to call it teal, so that I can add some extra texture to the spread. Just going to go ahead and cut up the quote so I can get at those little elements and maybe find a way to use it here in the decor area of my spread. Let's see. And now I'm going to go ahead and go back into the Wellness sticker book and add in more of those quotes I had put down before. Just wanted to add more of the teal tones in here and keep things pretty simple. Just adding in where I think they fit, although I have some that are shorter than the standard box size, so I'm going to try to figure out how to work those in and get a full line of quotes across each day. I don't know exactly what I want to do yet. I'll just try a few things. Some of these are slightly smaller too, so that's kind of a hindering factor. Let's go ahead and bring in some washi here. I have a few pre-cut strips from that black confetti washi that I have there that I'll just lay down and try. I think I like that size, not being the full width of the washi, but about a third of it. And maybe I'll add in this quote here, just kind of rearrange it and have it on this side, and then maybe the other quote on the opposite side if it fits. So let's try it out. And again, just cutting it up to make it fit my space. And I kind of like that. We'll see though. I also have some confetti that I am bringing in from the Mega Sticker Book. And I think it's just going to work a little better if I put the quote all the way across the spread instead of trying to divide it up into two. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And it's a lot like the one I did last week where I just used one big quote. But it's good to note in case you have trouble with decor, if you don't have a lot of decor in your stash. Like I really don't have a ton at the moment, so quotes are a good way to fill space and kind of make that the main event of your spread. And now I'm bringing in just some of those other small elements. Just wrapping them around the quote right now, seeing how I like that. Maybe what I'll do is combine these hearts all together here, one little section right around the amazing, so it feels a bit more planned out. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I think the other stuff is okay for now, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring in some of the food log bullets from that rainbow sticker book again. And I like it there on the center. I'm hoping that that won't be a deterrent for placement of my stat stickers, so I'll work on that. And then I'm thinking maybe move the washi tape to the bottom of the decor area. And then I'll put my cardio exercise stickers there at the top for my activity log. Although it doesn't give me very much room up there, so let me plan on that. I'm not exactly sure if I want to keep it like that just yet. And I thought maybe I might want to bring in some different washis for the top. I think I like having it with both top and bottom kind of bordered in with that black confetti washi, so we'll do that. And then I'll try out my stat stickers just to see how I like them. The only thing I'm worried about is writing in the very last section there, so I'm not sure if I want the stat stickers there 100%, but we'll see. We'll try it out and see how we like it. And then I thought I'd check and see if there's anything I wanted out of this fitness sticker book, and thought it'd be cute to bring in just some workout related, fitness related items that went with the color scheme. So I brought in a water bottle and a couple of dumbbells. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut down another strip of this washi so I can do both sides. And again, it's cut into about thirds, so I'm just eyeballing it here. Doesn't have to be perfect, just didn't want it to be too thick. And okay, that gives me an idea how that will lay in. And then I think just to make things a little cleaner, I'm going to move the stars all to the edges. And then rework these dumbbells a little bit here in the corner. Okay, I think that's good. Let's go ahead and start moving things over, and I'll fine tune as we go. First thing we need to do here is white out the lines in the center box so that I can have a nice clean palette for my quote. And I'll also go ahead and white out the top line here as well, so when I put those quote stickers over top of it, you won't see that black line from behind. So just go ahead and do that with my Sakura Jelly Roll white opaque pen in size 10. And now I'll start dropping in those total calorie boxes, which I got out of that fitness sticker book. Just make an adjustment there, it was a little bit crooked. And maybe start laying in some of these sidebar pieces as well. I'll put my weekly goals there in the green box. And then below it, my 3 habits for the week that I'll be tracking. So a few of these circle stickers are cut a little crooked, so I'm going to make all the crooked cut ones be on the right hand side and start off on the left hand side with the ones that are centered. And then I realized as I was laying them down that there was a little bit too high, and then I was also not centering them. I was centering them on the wrong box. So I had to go back and kind of make the adjustment. And now I'm going to lay in my stat stickers, and I think that'll work. There's just enough clearance, I think, below the very last stat that I tracked that I could fit it in without hitting the sticker. So should be good, and I think they look pretty good there. I use this font that I've really liked, but it's a little bit hard to read at this size. But I really like it. It's got like a boxed letter format, which I thought was really cute, and I've been kind of using it in my branding this year, so I thought I would add it in here into my stat sticker layout. I've already laid in those quote stickers at the top. I'm going to go ahead and lay in this washi tape and trim it to size. Gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the right hand side. And then I'm gonna rework these quotes a little bit, just so I get the right spacing. It's a little bit awkward right now. And I will just fit this guy in and trim it out so it says unplugged today. It's my way of fixing the problem there of not having enough of those longer lined stickers. Plus Saturday is my rest day, so I do like to have a little bit of unplugged time on Saturday. And I'm going to go ahead and add in those circle stickers for my exercise. And on Saturday, I replaced it with a book icon versus the cardio icon. And time to figure out how to move all over these tiny little stickers into the decor area. For a minute, I thought I might try to do a roll off, but I wasn't brave enough. So I just went ahead and did it by hand. That looks good. Just rework the confetti corner here. And then move these guys over as well. So I can get all of these hearts moved over in the same space. That is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye.